Have you ever thought that your endless scrolling through YouTube Shorts could actually put money into your pocket? Well, it's time to turn those short, entertaining videos into a source of income. In this video, we are about to reveal an exciting opportunity that allows you to earn $4 for each YouTube Shorts video you watch. It's a simple and enjoyable way to make money online by doing what you already love. Whether you're a fan of quick and fun videos or simply looking for a new income stream, this method is for you. Stay tuned as we explain how you can start making $4 for each YouTube Shorts video you watch. Let's dive in and monetize your YouTube addiction.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
To embark on this exciting YouTube journey, commence by opening the YouTube platform. There are two avenues to embark upon this quest. The first is to employ the search bar and type in the captivating keyword #shorts. Alternatively, you can navigate to the left-hand side of the YouTube website and eagerly click on the alluring shorts icon. Upon landing on this intriguing page, you'll be greeted by an impressive sight, a vast and ever-expanding shorts library housing over 730 million videos meticulously crafted by the creative minds behind more than 41 million channels. Our mission here is to unearth the hidden gems, those profitable niches that have the potential to serve as your money-making powerhouses. Rest assured, we've already undertaken the arduous task of research, pinpointing the most popular niches that promise to shower you with a wealth of earnings. The first treasure trove of a niche you'll want to explore is the enchanting world of ASMR videos. To delve into this realm, you will need to execute a simple search by entering #shorts plus ASMR. In the YouTube search bar, this query will unveil a rich selection of short videos nestled within the ASMR niche. ASMR videos, known for their soothing and captivating nature, enjoy widespread popularity and have the potential to attract a vast audience, as is evident by the videos amassing millions of views. Our second journey through the realm of profit leads us to the captivating genre of unboxing videos. To become a part of this genre, all you need to do is type #shorts plus unboxing into the YouTube search bar. This genre is known for its allure, where content creators reveal and present new products, often featuring the unboxing of the latest gadgets like smartphones and laptops. The exciting and anticipation that come with unboxing such items appeal to audiences, rendering these videos highly popular. Last but by no means least, our third stop in the quest for profitable niches leads us to the fascinating world of before and after videos. To immerse yourself in this niche, simply type in #shorts plus before and after in the YouTube search bar. These videos creatively depict transformations or contrast between two states, whether it be an event, an individual, or an object. The intrigue surrounding these videos is evident in their ability to accumulate millions of views. Now that you have uncovered these enticing niches, the next step is to harness the power of popular YouTube channels. Begin by selecting one of the widely viewed videos, and then navigate to the creator's channel. You'll notice that some of these channels boast an impressive subscriber count, sometimes in the millions. To proceed, click on the Shorts tab within the channel, then select Popular. Among the array of short videos, choose the most popular one, and then click on the inviting share option. And there you go. You'll now have in your possession the link to this immensely popular shorts video. In the next segment of your journey, we will unveil the transformative magic that can turn this shorts link into a money-making instrument. Stay tuned as we explore the avenues to monetize your YouTube journey, turning your passion into a source of income.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Before we unveil the website that holds the potential for you to earn, let's delve into the exciting realm of potential earnings. Here, we will share the enticing payout rates that can become a source of income for you. Prepare to be captivated. First and foremost, as you embark on this digital adventure, you'll be greeted with a generous sign-up bonus of $1 to kickstart your journey. But that's just the beginning. The minimum payout threshold stands at near $5, which means that you can start reaping the rewards in no time. What's equally fascinating is the international aspect of this platform. The earning potential varies by country, and you'll find a diverse list of nations where you can collect your earnings. Each country on this list offers its unique payout rate, promising a delightful diversity of income possibilities. For instance, if individuals from the enchanting land of Canada click on your link, your earnings receive a boost of $9. Meanwhile, those residing in the United States, the land of opportunities, can elevate your income by $12 with your clicks. As for the adventurous souls in Greenland, their interactions with your link contribute an impressive $22 to your earnings. Now, the moment has arrived to introduce you to the portal we've been alluding to with great anticipation. It's none other than shrinkearn.com, and it's making waves in the world of online earnings. Here's how it works. Step 1. Simply paste your money link into the designated box, effortlessly awaiting your command on the website. With a quick click of the button, your money link is primed and ready for action, poised to be your ticket to earning income. All that's left for you to do is to copy this link and preserve it for your upcoming journey, where we will guide you through the next steps in your quest to monetize your digital endeavors. Get ready to unlock the full potential of shrinkearn.com and let your earnings soar to new heights. With your money link in hand, let's discuss practical ways to share it and increase your earnings. Google search. Start by going to Google and search for ASMR Tingles. Click on the ASMR Forums website and create a post. You can say something like, "Check out this new satisfying ASMR video," and paste your money link. People who visit this forum may click on your link and earn you money. Facebook groups. Another method is to find ASMR communities on Facebook. Look for public groups related to ASMR. Join these groups and create posts with your money link. Be sure to share your link in each post. Explore different niches. Remember, it's not just ASMR where you can earn. There are various popular niches out there. Feel free to explore and capitalize on them. By following these simple steps, you can maximize your earnings by sharing your money link with the right audience.
And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified in our future uploads.